welcome back to Peaks 47. Just adding a little bit more detail this evening. So as you can see, I've just painted up this telegraph pole. I'll show you what colours I've mixed together to get this sort of greeny brown look on the timber. I've used silver on the foot pegs, and I've done these isolators silver for now, but these should be white, and I'll do them white before class it is complete. So I had a good play with different colours before I was happy with the end result. All the colours contain the sleeper grime with various amounts of green and metallic silvers in it. This is the one I've finished with. So it's just a dash of green, a dash of metallic silver paint with the rail match sleeper grime. That's what's gave me that colour. As you can see, all my different attempts. So the main purpose of this video is to show you how I make the trackside fencing scratch built on a budget. So the first thing you want to do is mark out all your holes. I've gone with every inch or 24-25mm to replicate 6 foot. Once they're marked out, we'll drill them out. So what I'm using for the posts are just basic cocktail sticks. I'm cutting them down roughly about 20mm. So I've got a few mil to go into the baseboard, but the height that I want is 16mm, which would make 4 foot. So the 16mm high and 24mm apart, so that'll give you a 4 foot post every 6 foot.